Assalamualaikum viewers, this is me Naila Tareem and I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. In this video we're gonna talk about Kids English Grade 2 and the chapter is chapter number 13. The name of the chapter is Annual Sports Day. In this video we will talk about the grammar of this chapter which is on page number 99. Take out page number 99 of your textbook, do the grammar work, write action on describing words for the given words. Number 1, what a man is doing. It's a blue paint. Second picture, sneeze. Third picture, pink dress. Fourth picture, play. Next question is write a few sentences for the given pictures and compose a story. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दी गई हैं, इनको देखकर आपने एक पिक्चर स्टोरी कंपोज करनी है. जैसे कि a tiger was sleeping peacefully. Suddenly a voice disturbed his sleep and he woke up. He saw that a frog was taking a shower in a pond near him and singing songs. He got angry and went to him. He grabbed him and scolded him to disturb his sleep and promised to leave the place. The frog left and the tiger slept again peacefully. Write down the date, day and the captions on the page top. यहाँ पर आपको एक पेज दिया गया है जिसके ऊपर डेट, डे और चैप्टर नेम आपको मार्क करना है. Next question is rearrange the given words in each row and make a sentence using capitalization, punctuation and correct spelling. First sentence, like cricket, I and hockey, cycling. So the correct sentence will be I like cricket, comma, hockey and cycling, full stop. Should respect we others, we should respect others, full stop. Apple are banana, mango and fruits. Apple, comma, banana and mango are fruits. Moving on to the next activity, can you guess what they are saying or thinking? They have given you some pictures of a character. यहाँ पर एक specific characters की कुछ pictures दी गई हैं. इनको देखकर आप बताइए कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं या सोच रहे हैं. First picture किसकी है? देख के बताइए. जी हाँ, ये है एक डॉक्टर. Assalamualaikum, I am a doctor. I treat sick people. Second picture, hello, my name is Ahad. I love playing football. Would you like to play with me? Third, hey, I'm a hunter. I hunt animals. Number 4, Assalamu alaikum. I'm a postman. I post letters at your doorstep. Number 5, hi, my name is Saif. I love cooking. I want to be a chef. Thanks for watching viewers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.